boys, we're going to a car meet. We got the Swedish Independence Day, so we're celebrating. But first we're gonna wash the cars. But let's see you at the car meet. Alright boys, now we're on the way. We got a few cars with us, let me show you. Alright, we got my friend's nice custom color Skoda with 300 horsepower. Alright, all the cars are here, except for one. Alright boys, we're just waiting for one more with a B58 with a downpipe and tune. You're gonna hear it on the freeway, but we're waiting for him and I'm gonna show you.
Never switch on the homies in the day ones. They didn't wanna open doors, so we made some. Take a bow on these haters like I'm Trey Young. That direct deposit hitting like a bass drum. And coming, 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 coming. Keep it in, coming, 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 coming. Keep it in, coming. Never switch on the niggas that I came up with. No new friends with the same old clique. Couple old homies went and stabbed me in the back, but it's no love lost. I'll probably bless them with some stacks. That direct deposit lovely. Went from shaking Kool-Aid packets to popping bubbly. Went from asking women for hugs and now they hugging me. Ain't life lovely? Do it so good, make a hater wanna fuck with me. Never switch on the homies in the day ones.
Alright boys, after a long day, we're finally going home. It's, well, it's light out. So yeah, we were out a bit in Stockholm and I hope you enjoyed the races. This is a little shorter video, but next week's video will be a bit longer. But thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Peace.